Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for all things tech. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Manhattan wired keyboard, the essential tool for those who type like pros. Whether you're working on that important report or gaming into the night, a reliable keyboard is a must-have. The Manhattan wired keyboard is here to meet your typing needs, and we're about to tell you why it's worth considering. First things first, this keyboard offers a full-sized layout with 104 keys, including navigational controls and a 10-key keypad. It's got all the keys you need for efficient typing and data entry. Setup couldn't be easier. It's a simple plug-and-play keyboard, which means it connects to your PC or laptop right away. No need to worry about charging or changing batteries. Worried about wire length? Don't be. The Manhattan wired keyboard comes with a generous 5-foot wired connection, giving you plenty of room to set it up wherever you want on your desk. Ever wondered if your caps lock or num lock is on? This keyboard has you covered with key status indicators, so you'll always know the current function at a glance. Warranty matters, and this keyboard comes with a reassuring 3-year warranty when purchased from the manufacturer or an authorized reseller. Plus, each key is designed to withstand up to 3 million keystrokes. Now, let's talk about how this keyboard fits into your life. Whether you're setting up a workstation with a dock or replacing a malfunctioning keyboard, the Manhattan wired keyboard is up to the task. It's all about user focus with this keyboard. The USB bus-powered design means no fuss with batteries or charging. LED indicators keep you informed, and there's no complex setup involved. We've all had those keyboard mishaps. Spills and accidents can happen, but with this keyboard as a backup, you're always prepared to get back to work without a hitch. To sum it up, the Manhattan wired keyboard is a reliable, user-friendly keyboard that won't let you down. It's perfect for work, gaming, and everything in between. If you're ready to upgrade your typing experience, consider the Manhattan wired keyboard. Your fingers will thank you. That's a wrap for today's review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and tech recommendations. I'm your host, signing off. Until next time, stay tuned for more exciting tech explorations.